Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a basic pie chart using Python and Matplotlib library in 5 lines of code. So let's get started. To create a basic pie chart, you need to have two things. First is its labels, like this Python C#. These are its labels. And second thing you need to have is its value, like how much area you want to give to those labels. These are the two things you need to have to create a pie chart. First thing we will do is import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. If you don't know how to import libraries and how to use them in Jupyter, what you have to do is you have to open your Anaconda navigator like this. First thing you have to say is your applications are running on which environment. Like my applications are running on UV environment. You have seen this. Then you have to go to environment section, select UV environment, and make sure it is searching all, and search your library name, whichever module you need to import. I want to import matplot library. As you can see that checkbox near to matplotlib is already checked. This means that matplot library is already installed in my system. So if it is not checked in your system, what you have to do is click check it and apply it. This will install the library in your system. That's it you have to do. After that, you have to create a list of values like 30, random values 20. These are random values. So now I have to create a list of labels. Like I said, I need two things. One is the label and second is the values. List of values I have already created, and list of labels I am creating. I will write Python, C++, Java, C#, and then other thing. Now what I have to do is do plot.py to tell the Matplotlib that I want to plot a pie chart, and I have to input the values. Then second I have to input its labels. Labels list is LA. Then I have created a plot. Then I have to do is plot.show. This will display the plot. Then select this, click here, and then click run. This, as you can see, I've created a basic pie chart using Python. So if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. You can also if you have any queries, you can also DM me on Instagram. My Insta ID would be showing to you here. So bye bye.